Here I want to solve this for x, but this time all the denominators here are prime numbers. We know that the first step to solve this for x is to get rid of the fractions, and for that we need to calculate the least common denominator of 3, 5, and 7. Since all these three numbers are prime numbers, meaning that neither of them is a multiple of the others, then their LCD equals to 3 times 5 times 7, which is 105. All right. In the next step, I need to multiply this to each term in the left as well as each term on the right. Uh, but instead of this 105, I will use this. You'll see why I'm using this. Uh, so we would have 3 times 5 times 7 times x. I'm doing that here, divided by 5, plus 3 times 5 times 7 times x divided by 7, plus 3 times 5 times 7 times x divided by 3. This equals 3 times 5 times 7 times 71. All right. Now you'll see that this 5 cancel this 5, and this 7 cancel this 7, and this 3 cancel this 3. That's why I didn't use the 105. That means I can write this term as 3 times 7 times x, 21x, plus 3 times 5 times x, 15x, plus 5 times 7x, 35x, equals, here I can use 105, 105 times 71. 105 times 71. All right. Now it's time to sum up all the terms in the left, which gives us, so 15 plus 35 is 70, is 50, and plus 21 is 71x equals 105 times 71. I want to isolate x, so I divide each side by 71. And you see that this 71 cancels this, and this 71 cancels this, and what is left is x equals 105, and this is the final answer.